So it's 3,000 pixels per inch. So a Vive, if you do it on pixels per degree, a Vive's about 20 pixels per degree. This is about 300.
Hey, I'm Anna-Leena from Varjo VARJO. We are a Finnish virtual and mixed reality headset company. We are here at NextBuild today demonstrating our first product, which is the world's only VR headset with human eye resolution. So it is able to deliver the visual fidelity similar to what the human eye sees. So in the center of the field of view, you see a very high resolution area at over 60 pixels per degree, which is about 20 times higher than any other device out there in the market. It also comes with integrated eye tracking. We call it 20/20 eye tracker because it's so precise and accurate that it can track your eyes in a sub-degree accuracy, and that's equivalent to recognizing your fingernail from a distance of an arm's length.
If you look down at the newspaper that's below you on that stand,
Yeah.
and then right now move your head so you're looking at the newspaper out the corner of your eye. You'll see it kind of low res, and now as you focus in on it, now you see it pops to high res when you look at it directly.
We also come with full software compatibility with all the 3D engines and software tools professionals use: Unity, Unreal, Autodesk VRED, Prepare 3D, etc. Yeah, it's literally the best headset out there for any professional in industrial design, automotive design, AEC, any kind of high-end visualization. You're able to see the smallest of details inside virtual reality. See the textures, see the different fabrics, see all the smallest details. Read a newspaper inside VR. For instance, car manufacturers being able to see the textures of the leather and just seeing all the buttons and switches and numbers on the dashboards. That's a deal breaker. And that's possible now for the first time in virtual reality.
How much does it cost?
$5,995 or euros. It's a premium industrial tool.
And what kind of PC do I need?
It needs a quite serious PC to run on with a decent amount of RAM. I would recommend the RTX 2080 graphics card and, for instance, the Lenovo.
So yes, that is the Lenovo ThinkStation there with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 graphics card. Altogether, it's going to cost you probably about 10 grand. Yes, this is expensive, but this is meant, as you heard, for creative professionals. So, you know, this isn't meant for gaming. This isn't meant for somebody who's having a bit of a play around. This is meant for creatives and creative studios out there who are doing serious work. This is meant for the design industry, the creative industry, people who are manufacturers, the construction industry, things like that. So that's who it's for. That's why it's costing a lot, and it's got some serious support funding behind it, and it is a serious step above other headsets on the market. You saw the pixel density there versus other headsets on the market. It's not just a step beyond, it's serious steps beyond. Okay, so I've been saying for years now, I put out a video a few years ago, and I've been saying for a long time before that, that creatives, you, me, anybody who's professional, anybody who's serious, in the next 5 to 10 years, VR is going to become a huge thing to us. We all use drawing tablets at the moment. That is going to seriously evolve. You've seen Logitech have now launched a VR pen. Well, it's not just them in the game. There's others in the game as well. I've actually been doing a little work behind the scenes with some people, and there's a lot more on the scene as well. I've kind of been talking to a few people, professionals as well, about other things. So yes, the VR industry is going to be very big for us as professional creatives. Hopefully I'm going to be doing a lot more content on this. But headsets like this are going to be amazingly important. Talking to Varjo as well, they have got a big announcement coming in September. So keep your eyes on this company. Hopefully I'm going to have a lot more content on this coming later on this year. Speak to you guys soon. Let me know what you think about this in the comments below. Keep being creative.